YouTube doesn't pay you what you think it does. And if you're posting the wrong niche, you're leaving thousands on the table. Every creator talks about CPM, but CPM isn't what hits your bank account. It's RPM, revenue per mille. What's left after YouTube takes its 45% cut. Here's the wild part. The average YouTuber earns around $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. But finance and business channels? Up to $22. Gaming and entertainment? Sometimes under $2. Same number of views, 10 times the payout, just from picking the right topic. Advertisers pay more to reach people close to a purchase decision. A finance viewer might open a bank account or a trading app. A gaming viewer just wants entertainment. Advertisers pay for buying intent, not eyeballs. 3 more factors control your rate. 1. Your audience's country. US and Australian viewers pay the most. 2. Video length. Cross 8 minutes and you unlock mid-roll ads. 3. The season. Q4 can pay 50 to 100% more than January. So before you chase views, ask what those views are actually worth. 100,000 views in gaming might make you $200. The same 100,000 views in finance would make you $2,000. Drop your niche in the comments, and I'll tell you what your RPM should realistically be. Subscribe for the next breakdown.